Have you ever been to a date spot so welcoming you felt like royalty? Now that's the gold standard your franchise should aim for in customer experience and accessibility. Hey guys, I'm Amit Grover and you're watching ECMP Studios. This time we're going to focus on elevating the customer experience and enhancing accessibility. Because in franchising, the red carpet isn't just for decorations, it's a strategy. Creating an inviting customer experience is like hosting a VIP event. Every detail counts, from the moment customers step in, to the service they receive, to how easily they can access what they need. It's about making them feel valued and ensuring their visit is not just satisfactory, but memorable. Now, why should you focus on customer experience and accessibility? Because in the bustling marketplace of franchising, these elements can set you apart. It's like being the best date they have ever had. Unforgettable and impossible to repeat. It translates into higher customer retention, better word of mouth, and ultimately increased sales. Now, here is how to enhance these crucial aspects. Number one, physical accessibility. Ensure your location is easy to find and enter. Now, whether that means ample parking, wheelchair access, or even clear signage. Like clear directions to a great date spot, accessibility welcomes everyone. Number two, service quality. You have to train your staff to provide exceptional service. Each interaction should make the customer feel like they are the most important person in the room. Number three, atmosphere. You have to invest in creating an inviting atmosphere. Whether it's the decor, lighting, or layout, everything should contribute to a positive customer experience. Now, focusing on these areas not only improves how customers perceive your franchise, but also how they engage with it. An accessible and inviting location can turn casual visitors into loyal customers. In the next episode, we're going to delve into flexibility and scalability in expansion. Think of it as keeping the excitement alive in a long-term relationship, ensuring that your franchise can adapt and grow without losing its charm. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, have you had a standout experience at a franchise? I would love for you to share it in the comments below or contact us at ECMP to discuss how we can help you replicate that success. And as the hit tune goes, smooth operator, aim to make your franchise operation as smooth and inviting as possible. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. It's Jake.